Every human being on Earth follows the same basic operating manual. We grow, we age, and, if we're unlucky, we break. Our bones have a limit. Our cells have a clock. But what if the manual has a typo? Deep in the archives of medical history, there are people who shouldn't exist. They aren't mutants from a movie. They are orphan cases, biological anomalies so rare they defy the laws of medicine. They are living glitches in the matrix of human biology. And the craziest part? These medical unicorns might actually hold the secret to curing you. Today, we're stepping into the lab of the impossible to look at the people who are rewriting the future of medicine just by existing. Let's start in 1994. A man is involved in a horrific car accident, the kind where the car is unrecognizable. Usually, this is a story of tragedy, but when he walked into the ER, he didn't have a single broken bone, not a rib, not a toe. When doctors looked at his x-rays, they thought the film was overexposed. His skeleton was nearly 8 times denser than yours or mine. He had a mutation in the LRP5 gene. Usually, if your bones are too dense, they become brittle like chalk. But his, they were like solid granite. He can't swim because he sinks like a stone, but he also can't be injured by things that would shatter a normal person. Doctors realize that if we can figure out how his body orders cells to build this unbreakable structure, we could potentially end osteoporosis forever. We are literally studying a man who is too heavy for water to learn how to keep the elderly walking. Meet Jo Cameron. For decades, she lived a normal life in Scotland. She went through childbirth, major surgeries, and even bad burns, all without a single dose of painkillers. She didn't think she was a mystery. She just thought she was tough. It turns out Jo has a silent mutation in a gene called FAAH out. It doesn't just block pain, it blocks fear and anxiety. She has never felt a panic attack in her life. Her body also heals at an accelerated rate. Scars disappear in days, not weeks. This is the holy grail for modern medicine. We are in the middle of a global opioid crisis because our current painkillers are addictive. But Jo's body shows us a natural trap door to turn off pain at the source. Scientists are currently using her DNA as a template to design a new generation of drugs that could kill pain without ever touching the brain's addiction centers. Deep in a remote valley in Ecuador, there is a group of people who seem to have been granted a strange form of biological protection. They have a condition called Laron syndrome. They are significantly shorter than the average human, but they have a mysterious shield. In over 30 years of study, almost none of them have ever developed cancer. None. They are also virtually immune to diabetes, even if they have diets high in sugar or fat. Their bodies have a defect in the growth hormone receptor, but that defect is actually protecting their cells from the DNA damage that causes cancer and aging. By studying this specific village, researchers are looking for a Laron pill, a way to give the rest of the world that same biological shield against the 2 biggest killers in modern history. For a long time, medicine was about averages. We gave the same pill to everyone and hoped for the best. But these medical unicorns are teaching us that the standard human is a myth. We are all walking puzzles. We are moving into the era of precision medicine. We are learning that the glitches in some of us are actually upgrades for all of us. The mystery isn't just why these people are different, it's how we can use their unique gifts to rewrite the human story. The next time you look in the mirror, remember, your DNA is a 3 billion letter code, and we've only just started reading the first chapter. There are mysteries hidden inside you that science hasn't even named yet. If you could pick one glitch, unbreakable bones, a shield against cancer, or a life without anxiety, which would it be? Let's talk about it in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the extraordinary, hit that subscribe button and join us as we explore the wonders of the human machine.